Welcome to your most famous channel, ChopChopChef. Today, you and me, we're doing a crab meat frittata. But this crab meat frittata will be garnished with some Atlantic salmon caviar, rocket lettuce, and a few other knickknacks. All right? So how about I show you in my kitchen? You take your cup of tea, I take my cup of coffee, and we see us on the workbench. Let's go. All right, now here we are back on our workbench, right? Very familiar place for everybody, particularly for me, haha. Okay, so for our crab meat frittata, yes, we need eggs, tomato, crab meat, a little bit double cream. Look at that beautiful salmon caviar. These pearls are amazing. How shiny, how great they are, all selected, nice size, fantastic. Then we have a little bit of rocket, we have a little bit chives, and later on our magic today will be a little bit of a lemon perfume. Watch that space. Okay, but first thing first, so we have our timeline correct. So I have these tomatoes on the vine. For a garnish later, I just want to have some bursted tomatoes. So I cut them with a little bit of stamp on and the green, put them in my pan here. 1, 2, let's put maybe 5. If we need them or not, we find out. Maybe 6. Okay, so we have 6 tomato. I put a little bit, very tiny bit of olive oil on them. Right? And they going in the oven shortly for 4 minutes by grilling 270 degrees. Just in till they split open, then I take them out. You will see that. Okay, for a crab meat frittata, well, of course we need eggs, right? So we're cracking our eggs in our bowl here. All good, nice fresh eggs. Yes, all good. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 4, 5. Okay. So this egg in here I put as well my double cream. Yeah. I'm putting that already in here. Can go all in here. Zack, zack, zack. Then this mixture I already seasoned with a little bit of, as you can hear already, my sea salt and a little bit of pepper. All right, and then that's for the moment. Now I obviously swirl this all nicely up, and I see you on the stove, and we continue over there. All right, see you shortly. Let's go. Okay, now here we are on the stove, right? So I have our egg mixture, right? Our crab meat and chives. So now we get our pan to a nice medium to high heat, similar to what you're doing to an omelette, but we do not want to stir too much around of this one. Yeah, okay, so we're putting our egg wash in here, egg mixture. Okay, yeah, we're putting everything in here. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, and now already we're putting our crab meat in here as well. And this one we place nicely all over the egg wash, right? And then, so soon we hear sort of the base, or here, we feel that the base is settled, you know, as the firm. Then we're putting this whole pan in the oven and sort of give it a little bit of a grill from the top. I now put 2/3 of my chives and chopped mint in here as well. Only 2/3. So here we go. And this one, I just give it a little bit of a, so they sink, right? So they don't burn later on when we grill it on the top. Okay, so now it's just a really patient game, yeah, till the sides are settled on this mixture, and then it goes into the oven. So let's be patient for 1 minute. Okay, now we give it just sort of sort of a semi-stir a little bit, loosen up the base. Yes, we can see already. Okay, this looks good, this looks good. It's coming nicely together. That's what we want, that's what we want. Yeah, you don't want to have scrambled egg, and remember, you do not want to make an omelette either. Yeah, so be a little bit more. And then this goes in the oven. So this whole mixture has to be still a little bit sort of floppy, I may call it. And don't forget our tomatoes in our oven. They should be now nicely bursted. I show you. Just stay there where you are. Oh yeah, you see these tomatoes? Or you can hear that. Yeah, that's what we want from these tomatoes. Yeah. So the skin just burst open. Beautiful. We put them on the side for later. How is our frittata coming along? Quite good. Yes, oh, it smells good, like this crab meat and everything. All the goodies. All right, yeah. So now have a look. The consistency is sort of, now is a little bit floppy. And now this whole pan goes in the oven with top grilling heat for around 4 minutes. All right. Our time is up for our crab meat frittata. All right. Okay. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful. That's what we want. Just softly settled. Yeah, the egg wash. All right. Let's bring this over here, and we all be very mindful, obviously, that our pans are all very hot. Don't forget that. Okay. Now presentation. Come on. Concentrate. Zack, zack, zack. We need. Now comes the tricky part of the thing. Hopefully, our baby comes out nicely from the pan, and that's magic. Look at this, our frittata. Okay, now this was lucky me, right? Okay, we got this one sorted. Now I have a little bit of rocket lettuce here. So this rocket lettuce, we just toss a little bit in this beautiful olive oil. Yeah. So just a little bit. So simple, so simple. And then, yeah, from this one, we just put a few leaves in the middle. Yes. Yeah, okay, looking good, looking good. Then our bursted tomatoes going here as well. Okay, let me see. That's so easy, right? As I always say, cooking is so easy, guys. Look at that, looks good. Then we have a little bit of our chives, a little bit more chives. Chum, chum, chum. We got that one sorted. Then comes, of course, the best thing of all is our so fantastic salmon caviar. And please do me a favor, don't be so stingy on this, right? Everybody will like this one, and they all will come back for more. And just a crack of our pepper mill just on the rims, right? Not direct on our frittata. So this is this, and as I promised to you, now if you want, we have a little bit cold pressed lemon oil. Yeah, so we sprinkle this. Oh my God, guys, come on. If this is not a beautiful crab meat frittata with fantastic Atlantic salmon caviar for you to enjoy. If you enjoyed it, please talk to your friends, and make sure they're joining up on my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Till next time, see you then.